Good morning, friends. Welcome back to a new vlog. Just woke up. It is Monday today, but it is Labor Day, which means it is a day off, and I'm loving it. It's like the best. I felt this like long weekend was honestly so needed, and I also feel it's like the last few weekends of summer. So I just like went to the beach yesterday, had a glass of wine, which was like so nice. I'm feeling a chatty vlog today, and also I want to keep it so casual. So let me know if you guys kind of like these vlogs more, where it is very casual and not as much like, I guess, like fast or curated editing, or I don't know, however you want to call it. We shall see. We're feeling a casual vlog today. Hey buddy. I'm home alone because Max is in Japan. He's on the farm with Jason. I'm going to New York in a couple of days, or next week, doing some stuff for Fashion Week, so that will be really fun. I just got these out of the fridge. Summer Friday jet lag eye patches. Oh no, I think one broke. Hold on. I love these eye patches, especially when you feel a little puffy. So there's kind of been not like a heat wave, but it is finally like really hot in LA, and my AC broke, so that's not ideal. And I had a guy come yesterday and they said I need to replace the whole thing, which, you guys, is like so expensive and like really not one of those things that you want to spend money on. But also I am like so hot and I can't sleep properly because there's just no air and ventilation. So yeah, we're feeling a little puffy. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm craving like a nice little brunch plate, like eggs or something, and then I have some like leftover ingredients. I always love using leftover ingredients for breakfast and stuff because I just always feel it's so delicious and also less work. We're gonna make this. We're gonna make some turkey bacon and then some sweet potato. Good plan. You can tell me any breakfast plate anywhere else is better. Got some turkey bacon, 2 eggs, some salad, sweet potato, and some healthy fats. Yum. Sometimes I truly think, I'm like, oh, do we want to grab some breakfast somewhere? I feel breakfast is like one of those things always when I make it at home. It just tastes so much better, but this looks really good. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna do some organizing today, go a little bit outside, get a little tan, get ready for my trip, do a little bit of work. That's kind of gonna be my day. I have definitely, like, after my whole injury and stuff, got a taste of like slowing down a little bit and how good it is for my body. So I've definitely been leaning into that, which is pretty hard for someone who thrives on productivity and doing things and stuff, because sometimes I would like take rest, but like I could kind of feel the urge of like, I should be doing something. But I don't know, I guess out of every situation, sometimes good or bad, is sometimes something to learn, and I feel I definitely did that this time. I'm gonna eat my breakfast plate and we'll get the day started. You guys, this is such a random tip, but when you're washing your matcha whisk, never wash it with soap. The bamboo absorbs the soap and it kind of like sticks in it and will end up in your drain. So you just want to rinse it off with like warm water and then just let it air dry. That's it. I feel a lot of people, they wash it with soap or they're like very aggressive on it, and it will kind of ruin your bamboo whisk. So little tip to maintain your matcha whisk. Sit. I feel I always get a lot of questions about what kind of glassware I have, because I have a slight ceramic and glassware obsession. And a brand that I actually really love is Kinto. They make these really beautiful cups, and I don't know what it is. The drinks they just taste better. But yeah, I really love this brand, so I got 4 of these. So nice for like an iced matcha or iced coffee or something. Okay guys, I just was unpacking some packages and I got a really big delivery from the brand LilySilk. I wanted to do a little haul of the things that I got. Today's video is actually sponsored by LilySilk. I've been really working on a capsule collection and getting just like some really good neutral pieces that you can build on, things that you can mix and match, and just a lot of stuff that you can also wear comfortably around the house, because I do feel my style is minimalistic but always comfortable. So let me try some of these on for you. Okay, the first set is a little matching set. You guys know how much I love a little matching set. I feel I wear this every day when I wake up. I also really like the shorts because I feel it's a little chicer than a full kind of long tracksuit, but love the color. The fabric is great. Actually, a lot of their new items are made with a new type of fabric, silkery, which is natural silk woven into a cotton fabric, so it makes it like super breathable. And I also have this one in a brown color, and it's slightly different. Instead of a zip up, it has some buttons on it, and it's kind of the same. Super cute. I feel also for fall this color is like so amazing. It's kind of like sporty chic. I love doing like a chunky sneaker with it. Okay, this is another very simple basic look. It is kind of like a bandeau with a jogger, but the fabric is like so sturdy, which is like really nice because I feel sometimes they just kind of lose their shape a little bit. It's so comfy, fits so well. Okay, this is more of a very cozy like dress. I feel you can kind of wear this from like summer to fall. So breathable and so chic. Probably wear it with some kind of like nice flip-flops or sandals or loafers, and like pair it with some cute glasses and a little bag and like a statement necklace. This dress I feel you can really like kind of wear throughout the day, but also at night if you kind of like style it up a little bit. So the next look is a little bit more kind of chicer, I would say, like every day. I got one of these like white pants because I figured I didn't have really a white pants. And I also got 2 really basic tank tops. I find it sometimes really hard to find tank tops that actually like look chic. Some tank tops, it doesn't really feel like you could go to the office with or something. But like these are, again, with that very thick fabric. So I feel these would be really, really nice. So I'm gonna try them on. Okay, so this is the white set. White pants, white top. The pants are actually surprisingly long enough, which is amazing because I feel so many pants are always too short on me. And the top is really nice because I'm wearing a bra underneath and it just fits very nice. You can honestly like style this up or down a little. I'm just gonna wear some sneakers with it because I feel it makes it like a little more cash like every day, but some nice little glasses. How cute is this? The top also comes in black, which is honestly my favorite. Look how chic it looks. I feel with a cute like blazer or something, it's like perfect. I also got a cashmere pullover for fall. I feel this is like another basic that I really wanted to have in my closet because I love wearing light kind of colors in California. And this is like the softest cashmere ever. It has these like really cute little buttons. So I even like it on a look to just like throw it over your shoulders. I usually size up. I like when they're a little bit more slouchy and oversized. So cute. Next up, I have another comfy set. I feel like I never have enough of these. I love the long sleeve with the little short because it just feels so easy breezy. This is made with Silk Breeze jersey. That is a premium mulberry silk. It feels super smooth, lightweight, cool and easy for summer. I also love the oversized look of this. It also comes in a long pants and a more fitted top for when it cools down a little bit. The pants are also so comfy and have such a nice stretch. You can use my code 20SV for 20% off any purchase on LilySilk, or 25SV for 25% off orders over $480. I will link all the items down below so you can check them out. I'm gonna lay by the pool for a second, kind of a little bikini on, grab a little matcha, and we're just gonna relax a little. Really sense that, so they can really sense people very strongly. Guys, I I got some dates, gato dates. They are so good. I've been on such a date obsession and I've been making filled dates myself, but these were sent to me, gato. They're so good. They're filled with almond butter and chocolate around it, and it's just the best little snack. It actually came out of the fridge, so I feel the chocolate is kind of nice and cool. Honestly, I've never seen this big of a dates. Maybe in the Middle East, but I mean, look at these. They're honestly so easy to make yourself. Yum. Those are the best. I've also been really obsessed with butter dates because it's such a good little pre-workout snack. When you combine the butter with the date, it actually helps balance your blood sugar a little, because obviously date has natural sugar, but then adding some of the healthy fats from the butter helps regulate that a little bit. If you have a good quality grass-fed butter, it is such a healthy fat for women. I feel a lot of women have been so scared to be using butter and stuff, because I think it's been all through like marketing and stuff from way back where everything was like low fat or fat free and stuff. But healthy fats, you guys, is actually so good. I've done a matcha butter, I've done a turmeric butter, like I've done so many different ones. I actually posted them on my Instagram, so you can find some recipes there, but almond butter will do it too. So good. Okay, I'm gonna get ready, go to the store quickly. I need to grab some stuff for tonight because I'm gonna go to a friend's barbecue. He lives in Venice, and the little canals, it's like so cute, and the weather is kind of nice, so we're just gonna have some friends together. Everyone is bringing something, so I want to do a couple of groceries. Okay, let's do a little grocery. So this part. And while I was driving over here, I was like, it's kind of interesting how I am kind of like home alone a lot, and especially because Max is gone now, I truly realized like how important community is, to be honest, because even now he's gone a lot and I'm so used to like in the weekends and things like that to like hang out with him and just do everything, and now I'm like, wait, I'm back to kind of this time of when I was single, and like you kind of need to like set plans in advance in the weekends and things like that. Thankfully, I have such amazing friends here, and everyone loves doing things and doing things together. I think it's something that I have definitely learned the hard way as well, because when I was living in Paris when I was like 18, it was like my first time leaving home. I honestly didn't really have a lot of friends because I think I wasn't speaking French properly, and also just didn't really make an effort. And I think at that time I was going home to the Netherlands quite a lot in the weekend, so I wasn't really making the investment to getting to know people as much, and it was hard too because I was traveling so much and I didn't really have a space to do that, because I didn't have a job with the same colleagues every time. Was constantly traveling, so making plans was always hard. But looking back at it, I was like, wow, I was just like so easy. It was just like watching series all day. And I do feel building community is truly so important. Like I think for your well-being, for your happiness, like it's one of the reasons why in all these places people get so old, is where they have strong community and support and joy. And I feel that sometimes too with like when I take time off and I go spend time with my friends, my cup is so filled up, and sometimes you just have to do that. Taking initiative, maybe texting a stranger, or maybe texting that girl that you saw at a workout class, or just kind of randomly connecting with someone. I think that's honestly the beauty of social media, and I truly always love that so much on Soulsing Body, on our forum as well. And the fact that during these events I always get to, you know, connect a lot of people who have already the same interest. Especially in these type of moments, I'm like, wow, I am happy that I did and invested here in my community and like put myself out there, because obviously when we moved to LA 4 years ago, we didn't really like know anyone, and now we have a really good group of friends. And I think sometimes a lot of people feel hesitant of randomly reaching out to someone, but you do need to put in that effort, I feel, to create friendships. And sometimes you're not going to click with everyone, and not everyone's going to become your best friend, which is totally fine. I personally like to have my circle pretty small, but I rather have quality friends than quantity friends. But finding those quality friends, I think is really important. And also taking that step, like even now when I'm home alone, sometimes I'm like, oh, I'm kind of like so comfortable on the couch, but when I actually do take the initiative to go see someone and do something, and I come home, I always feel just happier and just like I feel good. So it's something I just like thought about it, and I think also made me excited for tonight. We're gonna do a little barbecue and a little hang and stuff, but yeah, just something that I was like thinking about, how just like important community is, and kind of that was a big learning lesson for me to be in Paris, because you know, relationships take effort and time, and it's not only romantic or family relationships, it is also close friendships and girlfriends and all of that. So I am going. It is such beautiful weather, you guys. I love coming to little store Juice Grocer, but the parking is always a little bit hard, so that's why I don't come often. I hope it's gonna be open today, but I think I saw someone walking out. Also, sometimes they have like really cute flowers here. I don't know if they have that today, but I am going to make a big salad. I'm actually gonna make two because I'm heading over to a friend's barbecue. Yesterday we were having a little beach day, and two of my girlfriends were like, oh my god, Sanne, can you make the salad with pickles? And then my other friend is like, no, please make the one with the cinnamon date dressing, because that's the salad that made me start eating salad. Like, she did not like any vegetables. The one is a little bit more fall though, so I was thinking making two salads. One is more like fall with the cinnamon date dressing, and then I'm gonna add some figs, which will be so good. And then the other one will be more like fresh green. So I have 30 minutes, so I'm gonna do this real quick. We're gonna start on the fall salad first. So I have some arugula, these little figs. We're gonna do a lot of dates, and honestly keep it super simple. I have some sweet potato, and the dressing is truly gonna give all the flavor. Now I gotta clean up this hot mess in like 5 minutes. Alrighty, we're all ready. Got my stuff. I noticed that it's actually quite windy outside, so I hope my skirt is not gonna fly over. I'm gonna quickly do my lips. I have this lip liner from Patrick Ta, and it's so pretty. It's kind of exactly the same, I feel, as my lip color, but cute. Okay, now let's get the salad out. The house where I'm going is so cute, in the little Venice canal. Just the dreamiest around sunset, so we're gonna walk. Got a little table. Got our little. It looks like we're on the East Coast with
I
our
know. I love it.
striped little t-shirts and our little barbecue, but got a little plate.